What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the show. I'm Spencer.
And I'm Christy. And here on Destination Delicious, we are all about the desserts. But we also love hiking and exploring, and that's what Destination Delicious is all about.
We went down to Lake Pleasant, which is just outside of the Phoenix area. We did a beautiful sunset hike overlooking the lake and the saguaro cactus, and it was just really a cool experience.
Yeah. So today we've got
some local pecans, because that's a big thing that's farmed in this area. And it's also peach season, so we picked up some peaches, and today we are making pecan bourbon peach pastries.
So let's go fire up the Blackstone.
Ooh, boy, I'm excited for this one. In today's recipe, we are using fresh, sliced, skin-on peaches. We've got some brown sugar, pecans, local pecans. We've got some bourbon, because it's always bourbon season. We've got some salt, vanilla, cinnamon, and then all of that goodness is going to go into our baked puff pastries. All right, first thing before we get our peaches down is to get a little butter down on the griddle. Peaches are cooking down nicely. Some of them are getting a little bit of a char on them. They smell amazing. So now that they're nice and soft, it's time to add our next ingredients. Going in with the brown sugar. Gonna add some of our pecans in there and a few drops of vanilla.
Or a heavy pour.
Gonna get this good and mixed up. Oh, baby. Now that this is all mixed in, I'm going to give it a pinch of salt and also a dash of cinnamon.
This just smells absolutely incredible. I'm like salivating right now just watching this. Oh my god.
But it's still going to get better. I love that sound. And now, to top off our peaches, some bullet bourbon. You thought it smelled good before.
Yeah.
We're no strangers to putting fruit on the griddle, but this is the first time we've done peaches, and
it won't be the last.
It will not be the last, that is for sure. All right, I think we're just about ready here. All right, our peaches are done cooking. They smell absolutely amazing. I'm gonna put them in this bowl to let them cool a little bit. All right, our peaches have been cooling for a few minutes, so we're gonna fill our little pastry cups with our peach pecan bourbon filling.
Looks amazing.
All right, we're not done yet. And to top everything off here,
now it's just beautifying this baby.
a little pecan garnish in there. A little cinnamon post dust.
All right, well, this is great execution. Now let's see how it tastes.
Oh my goodness.
Wow, holy smokes, that is delicious. So
that is
good.
Amazing. The layers of flavor built into this one single bite are incredible.
All right, clearly we didn't make enough of these.
Thank you guys for watching. This is one, if you try any of our recipes, this is one that you need to do. Make sure you check out blackstoneproducts.com as well for all things Blackstone. Subscribe and ring that bell on the YouTube channel so you don't miss any of the great videos from any of the great cooks.
Like Nate, Todd, CJ, Betty, Bruce, Matt, and us.
And this is Destination Delicious. Really, really delicious. And we will see you down the road.
Way to go.